Hello friends, welcome back to my channel, Rachel Reviews. Today we have the Fall FabFitFun unboxing of your dreams. Not of your dreams, but it's here. Today we are drinking iced coffee out of my cup that my lovely Mari got me for my birthday. I love you, Mari. When you watch this, I miss you. She's off at optometry school because she's amazing, so, you know, hats off to you. And the box is super pretty this season. It's just classic. Classic fall leaves. Look. Now, it's September when I'm filming this. This video should go up in September, you know. Let's just open it. If you want to know more about FabFitFun, I'll leave a description down below, and then I'll leave my link too, and you can get $10 off your first FabFitFun box. It's a seasonal box. Spring, summer, fall, winter. Those are the seasons. You'll learn them in kindergarten. Here we go. And the inside of the box is super cute as well. Look at that. Okay, I opened the box. I took everything out because last time I did it, I was like, I don't want to dig through this box. So I took everything out, and we're just gonna find stuff one by one. You get, I think, 6 items in the box now. I think when they first started off it was 8, but I think it might be 6 now. FabFitFun is also doing this thing for like every season. You can pick refills of products that maybe you had gotten before in the box. So I don't have it in this room, but I got their dry shampoo that they sent me last time. I really liked it. So I decided to do a refill of that. So every box I'm gonna get a dry shampoo, which is cool because it lasted me, you know, about the 2-3 months that you get the boxes. So it was pretty neat. So they send you their little magazine, and that has like all the options, has cool articles and recipes and things sometimes. Like that looks like some ramen right there. That's my jam. Noodles is like my favorite food. Chicken noodle soup is my favorite thing in the world. Banana bread bars, pumpkin spice things and such. I was basic the other day, and I had a pumpkin donut and a pumpkin cold brew coffee. So yeah, I did that. I'm trying to go through here and find the papers of what's in your fall box. No, I already looked at that. See, this is what I was hoping to avoid. I just want to find what's in my box. All the different options, for crying out loud. Okay, I'm gonna find it. Okay, so I wasn't going crazy. That's not in there. It's not in the magazine, this box. It is now having you scan a QR code or go to a website to see all the different customizations. So, not really happy about that. Maybe they'll go back to that next box because I don't think people are gonna like that. It was more easily accessible to flip through and be like, here's your first customization, here's what you picked. By the way, this was an add-on. This was one of the customizations you could have picked. It's a bracelet by Jenny Bird, and I put it on already because I really liked it. I don't have anything like it, and I got it. Sometimes, okay, so if you pick one thing from a customization, then sometimes you can add something from that same customization for like 15 bucks or something like that. So that's what I did. So the first customization that I picked are the Uncommon James set of 2 copper canisters. So let's look at those. Comes in this little box, and I'm actually excited because I have some canisters already for my kitchen that are the Joanna Gaines collection from Target for my flour and my sugar. And I was like, I don't need big canisters again, but these are kind of smaller, so I'm excited. I might put like I made lemon bars for the first time yesterday, and I was like, oh, I hate having to get my powdered sugar out of a bag because apparently you need powdered sugar to make lemon bars. It was my first time. So maybe I'll put something like that in here, and then like brown sugar in the other one. And oh my god, it's so cute. And it has, look at, and it has a wood top, and my Joanna Gaines ones has wood tops too. They're a little more shiny. This is a little more like unfinished rustic looking, but the other one should be inside it. If I can get it open. Ugh, that's a good seal right there. We'll get this one out. I'm gonna try to be efficient. And I also have from like Marshalls or Home Goods a while back, I have a dog treat canister that is the same in my kitchen already, so I thought it would kind of go. And look, that must be the silica gel. Hashtag silica gel. No, don't hashtag that. Look. adorable? Oh, they're so shiny and I love them. They're shiny and I love them. So super cute. This was the first option that you could pick from. Glad I got these. I love them. Even like, you could use them in a bathroom or something and put your cotton balls in or whatever. Super cute. I like those. Let me see. That is $49 value for those. The next is, oh, I picked for customization too. I picked this Rhode brand, and it is a serum, instant lifting serum, pink diamond, because I love serums. I love them. I'm 33 years old. I like serums. I like moisturizers. Keep that skin nice. Start early if you're watching this. Start early. So, yep, Pink Diamond Instant Lifting Serum, and they value that at $135. So, I have seen this brand in like my Ipsy boxes and stuff as well. So I know that that's like, you know, kind of pricey what these go for. So I was adding it to my box this season. And it says about it, this powerful cocktail of vitamin C, love vitamin C, and Chromo Bright technology helps even the skin tone and brightens the complexion. All about it. The next, customization 3, I picked, where is it? I picked this, and you're gonna see what it is. It is the, dun 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 dun, Amanda Uprichard belt bag. So it's a fanny pack essentially, but it's quilted faux leather combined with gold colored hardware makes for a timeless bag. And I'm going to an outdoor event in a couple weeks where I don't want to just like have my purse slung over my shoulder the whole time. So I was like, maybe this would be cute to have because I still want to have my stuff with me. So I was excited. So it's, you know, essentially like a little purse, but you know, a stylish fanny pack version, I suppose. And they had it in like straight size or plus size, you know. I was throwing that on the floor. So I did get it in the larger belt size. If I can figure out how to adjust it, then I'll do that later. But yeah, it's real cute. I like it. It has a zipper back here too. Zipper inside there, silica packet, silica gel. So that is what I chose. I thought it was neat, kind of cool, and that they value at $60. $60. I wouldn't say it's $60. You can get that at Target, but I liked it. And customization number 4. I've been wearing hats a lot more lately. I have my Stay Sexy Don't Get Murdered hat that I wear a lot. And it's coming up fall. What's more fall than a buffalo check patterned hat? Many things are more fall than that, but I liked it. And it is valued at, dun, 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 if I can find it. Oh, there it is. The Hocus Pocus Buffalo Check Baseball Cap. Throw on this stylish Buffalo Check Baseball Cap for all the fall vibes. $38 value. I liked it. It's actually really soft, and the back has that kind of nice hardware there. I do need to, I'm not a flat cap person. You gotta mold that. Let's see. That's better. Super cute! Look at that. And it's like a nice neutral. It's not, you know, one of those like black and red buffalo checks that is like a very specific look. Like I could wear this like this and totally look like a farmer with my overalls today. I don't have to go to Tractor Supply, but this would have been a great look for it. Kind of a glam farmer look. Anyway, I liked it. Don't judge me. I picked a hat. I like it. I lost where I'm at. So that was option number 4. Number 5. Annual members get to customize their number 5 and 6 picks. So if you're an annual member, that means you paid for the whole year already. Some people just do it box by box, seasonally. I just do it for the whole year, because why not? So I picked the Gloss Modern Clean Luxury Hair Mask. Antioxidant rich shea butter restores softness and shine to your locks. I went in my pool a lot this summer. I tried not to get my hair too wet when I would go in, but you know, sometimes you do. And the chlorine can make your hair really dry, so I'm like, I'm gonna pick this hair mask. I think it's a perfect refresher for after summer, and I'm pretty excited about it. I'm excited about everything I picked, to be honest. Dun, dun, dun. And number 6 was like a combo. I don't know what's in this. Oh, I know what's in it, okay. The number 6 one was a combo kind of thing. So it was like a few, you know, lower priced items all together in one. So I picked the one with this and the one with this and the one with this. Oh, and this was a little free thing they threw in this box by Dove. I think it's like a spray-on antiperspirant kind of thing. So that was in my box too. But I picked the, dun, 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 dun. Which one did I pick? That one, 6E. The 2 Bandits Tiered Catch-All Tray, the Cali Cosmetics Body Wash, and the HIP Lunch Pack Bundle, $67 value. Let's look at it. Oh, I forgot to tell you the value of the hair mask, $55. Okay, so let's look at all these things. Bath gel. I've been using the Spongelie. That smells really good. The sponges that already have the bath gel in them, but this is really nice too for like our guest bathroom, if anyone ever needs to shower in it, or when I run out of the Spongelie stuff. I don't know if that's how you pronounce it. That's how I like to. This I was excited about is a lunch bag, pretty much. It described it as like a reusable paper lunch sack that like you would old school take your lunch in when you're a kid. So it can like fold up like that when you're not using it. And then the rubber band goes like that. And it's like a paper lunch sack, but it's reusable and rubber and you can wash it. So yeah, you can put like your sandwich in there, you can put apple, you can put cheese sticks, you can put candy, you can put whatever you want in there. And it was kind of just a really cool idea, I thought. So yeah, so you can put everything in and then I think you just kind of fold it up like that, maybe. So you can seal it. It's a cute little bag. I thought it was adorable. Roll to the back, strap over the front. By HIP. HIP lunch pack. Pack rolls down and closes neatly. Ideal for taking meals on the go, storing food, filling bulk grains and coffee, or handfuls of snack. So yeah, you can put it in the fridge too. I thought it was really cool. And like kind of reminiscent of like, you know, going to elementary school and you have your little paper lunch with you. And then this is the tiered tray that I thought was really neat as well. I'm just gonna tear into it because why not? Heineken. It says try Heineken. Okay, I don't really want to. Oh, that's not my tiered tray. I don't know why they sent this. 0%. I thought this was my tiered tray. I forgot there's like a huge box over there. They also sent me a free alcoholless Heineken this season. No, thank you. Maybe I'll use it to cook with. No, thanks. If I'm gonna drink a Heineken, which I'm not, because I don't really drink beer unless that's all there is, I'm gonna drink a beer with alcohol in it. Alright, and then this last one, here we go, is the tray. It's the tray. I really have to break down those boxes over there. Alright. Oh, there we go. Leave that in there. It's just like a nice little plasticky tiered tray. And then it has this kind of marbly looking felt inside it, so it's not like gonna scratch the plastic or anything like that. Kind of a soft place for things to land. And then you can just fold it up as well. So that's kind of cute. I'm not gonna lie, I didn't know it was gonna be plastic. I thought it was gonna be more like a metal, not a metal, or like a porcelain kind of thing. But I thought it was gonna be smaller than this, so I'm kind of pleased with how large it is. That's actually really cool. the base is like, has a weight in it, so it's not gonna tip over. That's really neat. That's really neat for all my jewelry, since, you know, I just got some new ones. Okay, so that was my box. That was my box this season. Now, I'm not gonna lie, I did expect there to be more like big ticket kind of items. Like, I think there was blankets you could pick from and like things like that, but I feel like they've gotten more product-y, like moisturizers and things like that, which I like, but I get that from my Ipsy stuff. So I want more like tangible things I can use in my FabFitFun boxes. So, but I still liked everything I chose this season. And look how cute this hat is. I might have to wear this today. I don't know. It looks really cute. All right, so if you guys want to try FabFitFun, like I said, I'll leave my link down below. And then like this video if you liked it, and then subscribe if you haven't subscribed to my channel already. I really appreciate it if you like these kind of unboxings. So yeah, thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you next time.